Looking for a spot where this price action is most likely to bounce. All right, we're going to take a look at this chart here in a second, and I'm going to show you a couple other interesting things first. I got a pretty good article over here. This is from Coinpedia.org. Solana meme coin Myro skyrockets 75%. Meme moguls tipped to reach a 30x. Don't know much about that thing, but they talk about Myro here. All right, Myro is a meme coin named after the dog of Solana co-founder Raj Gokal. The project was created due to the lack of a dog meme coin in the Solana ecosystem. While Bonk is the largest meme coin on Solana, some argue that Bonk lacks the charm and personality of a dog-themed coin like Myro. With the recent surge in Solana's price to peak of $120 in December, the whole Solana ecosystem has been boosted to new heights. Myro was no exception as the coin surged 75% in just a matter of days, making it one of the top performers on Solana's dexes. But does Myro have staying power, or can we expect it to fizzle out as other meme coins steal the spotlight? The recent listings of Myro on Tier 1 exchanges suggest that the volume and demand for the coin may continue to rise as more investors can access it easily. And that's a fact right there, because I just looked and the volume is at $30 million. All right, for a coin token with just over $100 million market cap, to have 30 million in volume is pretty impressive. Looking ahead, some experts predict that Myro could reach a price of $1 in 2024 if the Solana ecosystem continues to grow and expand. This would represent a 13x increase from its current price of 0.076. However, it is worth noting that Solana has dozens of large memes, and there is no guarantee that Myro will remain the top dog. Technical analysis of the 4-hour chart shows the next resistance at 0.085. Break this level would likely lead to 10 cents as the next target. Okay, well, that doesn't, that has no effect on our charts here, what we're looking at, but $1, you know what, I believe this thing could go much higher in a bull run. We're heading into a bull run. That's my personal opinion. A 13x, I think it's got quite a bit left in the tank, quite honestly, especially with us going into a bull cycle here, which I'm not saying that that's going to happen soon. I believe Bitcoin has a big dump here to take on us yet, so just be prepared for that. All right, let's take a look at coin market cap here. Yeah, see, $32.5 million in volume. That's super impressive for $112 million market cap. You know, that's a quarter. That's more than a quarter of the market cap. So that's pretty impressive right there. Circulating supply, 944 million out of the total 1 billion. That's 94.42%. That is beautiful. That's what you want to see. You don't want to see inflation hurt you, as you know, like a lot of these meme coins have just billions and billions of tokens, and they just keep dumping them and dumping them and dumping them, and inflation ends up killing you in the long run. You know, look at this thing from from November 17th. That's crazy. From November 17th, it is up. What is this? A 56x. Yeah, pretty awesome. The markets, yeah, it's getting listed everywhere. You know, KuCoin, MEXC. What else they got here? BitTrue. I like BitTrue. You know, I don't know. It's a very easy to use setup there. But yeah, 25 different markets there. So, all right, let's take a look at this chart, guys. First, I want to show you the crypto bubbles here. The top 100. Starting to get some bounces here, starting to get some RSIs reset, so we should see the market. I expect this week should be a pretty decent week for the altcoins. Bitcoin's reset on the daily, so it should be pushing up this week. Now, if we were looking for a bottom on this thing, all right, number one, all right, I'm going to take this trend base, this Fibonacci. All right, and you can see how we hit a 702 up here. Normally, if you do an ABC, you're going to have your A leg down, your B leg will come up to this 702 fib area, okay? And then your C leg will be the equal length of your A wave. All right, there you go. That's what this should end up being. Nothing's guaranteed, okay, but this has a very good possibility of hitting the bottom right there. All right, that would be a B, and a C right down here. Okay, right down to 0.09412. That's where I would be looking for a bottom to come in. Now another thing, let's use a Fibonacci. Let's go on a daily and take a look here. All right, go from our swing low to our swing high. All right, that would put us between the 618 and the 702. That's the normal area you would see a bounce occur. You know, right through this area right here, 618 to the 786. That would be your bounce area normally. That's where you would be looking for a bounce with a fib. That would be a perfect. And now let's take a look at the RSIs. Okay, we got the 12-hour still coming down. All right, that's what makes me think we're probably gonna, you know, it could be a wick down here to this 0.09392. It could be just a quick wick down there and fire right back up. You got the 8-hour is reset. Okay, we have a 8-hour candle, green 8-hour candle here. Boy, that came so close down here. The 4-hour is turning up, and the 1-hour is also turned up. Okay, now you can see here, boy oh boy, yeah, this, let me remeasure this out just to make sure we're right on this ABC. Let me just measure this out one more time. I'm pretty sure it's right already, but let me just make sure. Yeah, I mean, that's what I'm coming up with, guys. I'd probably see a push up here somewhere and then a rejection. I just see it pulling down there. I don't see this as a bottom. I just don't see it. Let's go on to 1 hour. You know, you have a resistance line. Let's see where this resistance line goes down through here. Boy, it's way out here. Yeah, that would be way out there. Okay. Do we got any kind of fallen wedge or anything in here? No, not really. No. That's just a resistance area right up here. You know, you can see a bounce up here and then a rejection down here. I just see it coming down to that 0.09. Yeah, I've seen this ABC work out way too many times. You know, you do see some volume coming in here. Now, I'm not saying it can't, I'm not saying it's impossible that it heads up from here. I've measured out these ABCs just so many times. You know, they've gotten me perfect entries. That I'm sticking with it. I just am sticking with it. You know, now if it breaks out of this top board, this blue resistance, if it comes up here and it does break out of there, then the correction would be over. Okay, then I would have to say the bottom's in. But I just don't see it. I just don't see it. You know, I'm just trying to see if 702. Trying to get it right on. Yeah, I'm still, that comes over here and retouches. A lot of times you see that, you know, you'll get a breakout from a previous all-time high. You'll get a breakout, and then you'll eventually come back and retest that breakout over here. I'm sticking with that, guys. All right, thank you very, very much, guys. I hope you have a great day. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll be back to you very soon.